that is a whole bunch of ants, and that is also baking soda. So hopefully these guys eat the baking soda and they die. If not, plan to be back. Alright guys, so next day, the ant trail and everything has been significantly reduced. There's barely any ants. There's about 3. So the baking soda is definitely working. They are not interested. The ants are still there, but not as many in numbers. They are not lining up like that picture before. So this is great. Baking soda definitely works as a deterrent for ants. And it's inside the home. I got a 2-year-old and an 8-year-old. So just being safe. I don't want to use these other chemicals and stuff. So this is good. This is good. Go baking soda.